To begin this procedure, connect a battery charger to the vehicle. It's critical that the battery charger negative clamp is connected to chassis ground, otherwise the APIM programming may fail. Place the ignition in the run position. For vehicles equipped with the intelligent push-button start system, simply press the start button twice with your foot off of the brake. Connect the scan tool and vehicle communication module to the vehicle, but do not launch the IDS software. Make sure that you have a fully charged IDS laptop or it's connected to an AC adapter and use a hardwired internet connection. Open the web browser on the scan tool. Go to the Technician Service Publication website, select Read VIN and DTCs, and select Go. From the OASIS tab, select the Sync button. If you're unable to complete programming because the operation stops or errors are received, the web browser settings may need to be reconfigured. Refer to Software Programming version 1.1 on the Technician Service Publication website Service Tips tab. Next, select Standard and click the Read Sync button to compare the vehicle's current software level to the last reported state in the Ford Online database. Be certain that your only selection at this point is Standard. After the comparison is performed, the scan tool automatically selects the latest software available for programming. In this case, we're going to perform a full flash of the APIM software. To begin the full flash process, remove the media hub and disconnect its mini USB cable. Connect the sync reflash kit cable and adapter between the scan tool USB port and the vehicle's mini USB cable. You may use either the sync cable that was sent to your dealership by Ford Motor Company, or you may have a sync cable and adapter that was purchased through Rotunda. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the Program Sync button to begin the APIM programming process. If this is the first time a full reflash is performed with this IDS unit, the latest software is downloaded to the scan tool. This download may take 30 minutes or more. After the download completes, the programming process begins, and it may take 20 minutes or longer. Do not interrupt the procedure or disconnect the scan tool unless instructed by the on-screen prompts. If an error screen or pop-up appears, follow the on-screen prompts to install the S-Boot software and click the Retry button. When the scan tool prompts you to start the engine, disconnect the battery charger, start the engine, and select OK on the IDS screen to program the SIP. When SIP programming is completed, you'll be prompted to connect a USB flash drive to the scan tool and follow the on-screen instructions for downloading applications onto the USB flash drive. If the scan tool does not have an available USB port, the reflash kit cable can be unplugged at this time to make room for the USB flash drive. However, do not disconnect the VCM from the scan tool. Once the flash drive has been inserted, click on Refresh Drives and select the USB flash drive. Next, reinstall the media hub and insert the USB flash drive into the USB port. Installing applications to the vehicle may take 20 minutes or longer. The progress bar may appear to stop, but do not remove the flash drive until you are notified that programming is complete. Once you receive that notification, press OK, remove the USB flash drive from the media hub, reinstall the flash drive into the scan tool, and select OK to report the new software status to the Ford Online database and force an APIM reset. This step is critical to complete the full flash process. The final step in the process is to recalibrate the vehicle's touchscreen using the ACM self-diagnostic mode. To enter the ACM self-diagnostic mode, select AM or FM mode, press and hold the eject button until you hear a beep, then immediately press and hold the Seek Up button while continuing to hold the eject button. Once you've entered the self-diagnostic mode, a speaker walk-around will begin. You may allow the speaker test to complete or press Exit to move to the next screen. Now, select APIM Diagnostics. Then select Touchscreen Calibration. Touch the points as instructed by the touchscreen. To accept the new settings, touch anywhere on the screen, then select Exit Diagnostic Mode. For more information, refer to Section 415 of the Workshop Manual and reference the 2011 Edge MKX MyTouch Programming TSB.